some together. Here we go. Oh wow. Hello everyone and welcome to episode 4 of Campfire Cooking. Today I'm going to be cooking minced lamb hot pot over the fire, so join me. So here are the ingredients. We've got the minced lamb here, 2 different types of potatoes, a shallot, carrots, smoked garlic, just add a bit of smoked flavour to it. Got a lamb stock, got some pink Himalayan rock salt, white pepper. In the whole closed jar we've just got some gravy granules, and then in the jam jar we've got some mint sauce. So it's a really simple and easy recipe. And I'm also back up with the silverant hanging cooking pot set. This is the hanger here, titanium plates as well. So I'm going to hang the pan over the fire and you'll see how I cook it. So I'm going to do the prep by the fire. Here we are. First of all I'm just going to peel the potatoes. Got a knife here. So let's get all these peeled off. I won't bore you with it. I'll bring you back shortly. So now it's just a case of slicing the potato. And then we're just gonna pop these into the pan. I'm gonna go cook these, parboil them. There's some water. Just gonna cut the ends off. We're just gonna cube this carrot up. Whatever size cubes you want. The crow's up and up the tea. Now it's the shallot. Top and tail it. In half. And then peel it. Then just roughly dice it. Like I said before, it's a very simple recipe. We've got this to do. Take the skin off it. And we'll just roughly chop this. It's going to be stewing down for a little bit, so lovely, that'll do. Sorry, kid. Right, so here we go. Hang the hanging pot over the fire. There we go. Right, so we will drain out the potatoes. So they're par cooked. So I'm going to put some olive oil into the pan and then we shall fry off the lamb. Right, so we'll put the minced lamb into the pot. We'll cook this and keep stirring it. Right, so now I'm going to add the onions and the carrots. I'm just going to split these all down together. Then I'll add the garlic. So I'll put the garlic in now. Now I've kept the mince relatively chunky because the proper Lancashire hot pot is with stewed pieces of lamb, and I've gone for the minced lamb. So now I'm going to add the lamb stock cube. Gonna chuck it in. So now I'll add some water. Just enough to cover the meat. Then we'll reduce it down. So I'm just going to put the mint sauce in now. Mix that in. Pop it back on, and then I'll put the gravy granules in. So I'm going to pop the gravy granules in, mix this all in, cook it for a couple of minutes. So now it's time to put the pie cooked potatoes on top. And of course, this is a really well known part of a Lancashire hot pot, is the crispy potatoes on top, which soaks in all that lamb flavour. I'm going to give it a little spray of olive oil on top. There we go. And that's all we need. So to get the top of the potatoes crispy, I've got this pan here. I've got this little grill rack here, and I'm going to put some coals on top, and that will transfer the heat down into the top and cook the potatoes. Right, so I'm going to get the coals on the top. So that's going to act like an oven now. Put the coals on top. Right, so here we go. Oh wow. Oh, that is the perfect crispy hot pot top. That is absolutely amazing. Using this method, you could roast chickens, you could do anything you could do in an oven. It's ultra light, weighs nothing. So here we go, we're going to serve this up now. The minced lamb, onions, the carrots. This is for you, mate.
Thank you very much.
It's hot, so be careful.
Oh yes, look at that. Oh mate, I wish we had smell-o-vision.
What's it like?
Absolutely, mate. Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Like, I'm not gonna lie, the flavours running through this are like divine, mate. Honestly, I'm not even just saying it, that is absolutely banging.